Oh, ubusin mo na. Konti na lang, oh.
Busog na po ako pa eh.
Masarap naman. Okay naman.
Alam niyo po pa, kung di po kayo naging tech guy, I think you're a chef.
Nambola pa to eh. May kailangan ka?
Wala naman po. Hindi, I'm just saying na like, you can cook for another person.
Renz, is it really okay if I go on a date?
Sure, why not? Okay na okay po pa. Bakit? May girlfriend ka na ba? Kasi napansin ko, recently parang aaga niyo po nagigising.
I can't say that she's my girlfriend, but I'm getting to know someone.
Well, as long as this lucky girl loves you and respects you, tayo, should be fine, Dad.
Sige na.
Sige po, kain na po tayo. Tulong-tulong po tayo dyan pa.
Cheers.
Alagaan mo ako. Pinaramdam mo sa akin yung totoong pagmamahal. Kaya, siguro hindi ko na kaya na mag-isa ulit.
Pareho pala tayong nararamdaman. At hinahawa kita. Ayoko nang bumitaw.
Are you okay?
Yeah, thanks.
Parang may iniisip ka.
Ikaw?
I'm good.
Hana, alam mo naman na single dad ako. You know, nung nawala si Celine, everything was overwhelming. How will I raise our son? Paano ko ibibigay sa kanya lahat ng pangangailangan niya? How will I be a good father and provider? I don't know if you understand all of this, but these are the things that held me back. Kaya I never entertained dating again. That's why I worked. I pushed. I worked up that corporate ladder to secure Renz's future. Ngayon lang ako nagmahal ulit.
Alam mo, naiintindihan kita. I was 18 years old when my dad remarried. Hindi ko matanggap yun. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ganun yung sitwasyon. Kaya kinilatis ko siya, pinahirapan ko siya. Pero nakita ko yung sincerity niya. At nakita ko kung gaano niya kamahal yung tatay ko. I'm sure maiintindihan niyo rin sa lahat. Napakaswerte mo sa anak mo. Pero maswerte siya sa akin. Kasi magkakaroon siya ng cool stepmom. Kaya huwag ka na malungkot. Nandito lang ako. Nandito lang ako para sa'yo.
I'm 25 and I want to focus on my new business, which I will publish
What?
and review soon. I'm thinking of quitting
Quit?
cosplay and game streaming.
No!
for good. I hope you still support me.
Alam mo, maging masaya na lang tayo para kay Miss Hana. At least, magiging normal na yung buhay niya.
Pero Maki, bakit ang sakit? Di naman kami close sa personal eh, pero... bakit ang sakit?
Tanungin mo siya.
Ha? Pa!
Renz! Maki! Oh, since you're here, I'd like to introduce you to your Tita Hana, my girlfriend.
Hi! Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Masarap pa yung food? Ako nag-bake niyan.
Tita Hana? Girlfriend?